Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today fix a problem for Steam mostly be running to let its game for unrecoverable error. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step for get update the Steam. You will get click to open the launcher, then you will click then see the update the Steam any one notification showing it you will get updated. Okay. Coming to the second step for you will Windows Defender firewall you can add the scheme. Okay. Then to I will go to the second step. Then Windows Defender firewall. Then you will click to start it to see the apps other than apps in Windows Defender firewall. You will click to change the settings to scroll down for Steam. You will set it to get enabled for the private and public. Then enable to click to OK. Then go to the third step for verify the game file. You will get off this error showing for the any game issues too. You will get verify then to all issues, file issues problem for automatically solve it. Then after the step is finished, you will click to the Windows icon, get restart your PC or laptop to this problem issues for solve it. After get check this error for fixing this problem. Then any one doubt open the command and thank you for watching.